So my name is Manoj. I'm a data and performance analyst at Momentum. The first thing is that I applied the job momentum since I got in touch through LinkedIn. So I saw a post of opening of data and performance analyst in LinkedIn. So I searched the company. One thing which I would like to say about the company is that it's a startup company, and the most benefit which I get or which from a startup company that you can learn more, you can continuously grow. So I just thought to join this company, crack the interview, and get in this role because I want to have my career in this field in the future. The first thing which I had, which impacted my career at Jamam is that learning and growth. So in my field as a data and performance analyst, I have learned about GA4 and Power BI. So this is the thing which I never used before, and I have learned much more about this, and I think I'll use it in the future too. My expectation before the joining company was to learn, although it's an internship program, but I wanted to learn and grow in this company by using various software. And I think this company has provided to me with everything I needed, such as the skills pathway, learning platform, and using of the software. So I think what I expected from the company has fulfilled everything which I wanted and to learn and to contribute to the company's growth. I think definitely I will try to convince my friends because they are looking for jobs too. I'm trying to help them as well as this company because my friends, I would like to tell them to join this company because this company has a lot of career growth as an individual, and you can also contribute to the company's growth day by day. And I can see from the day which I joined till today, the company has grown a lot. And if anyone joins this company, he or she is going to be successful in his career life. First thing which I would like to say that I've learned a lot over here. The only thing which I'm leaving because I found a job where I can work in larger scale and I can work with my colleagues in person as this company is remote and I don't like have any issues with working with remote. I've gained some skills and I like to earn some money as a part of salary or an internship or maybe other any bonuses. So because I have to live my life, I have to provide and I have to like leave my expenses. So I applied for a job where I can also get some money from the company. So that is why I am leaving this company. But although this company is very great. Yes, I would say yes. I have gained a lot of experience in this company while speaking to my colleagues, my senior colleagues, the CEO of the company. So while speaking to any senior members, how to interact, and I also got some ideas how he wants us to be involved in the team and project. So this is a new experience for me, and I hope this is gonna help me in the future too. Oh, yes, yes. So my new company and my new role has a lot of requirements with GA4 and Google services and Google Analytics. So I think I have learned this software of Google services and GA4 in Momentum. I have never used this software before joining this company, and I think one of the reasons of me to getting this new job is Momentum because I have learned this software called GA4 in Momentum. So this has helped me getting a secure job in my future company. I would like to reframe the question if you allow me to. I would like to say it in two words, which is continuous growth. Or maybe continuous learning. So these two words, I'm using this before because I've experienced in this company that from day one to day last, I've continuous growth I've experienced in my career. Every day I learn some new thing. Whenever my colleagues discuss some other projects, and I just have to listen. And still, by listening, I learn about more how they work on their project and or using other softwares. So I think continuous growth is the two words which I could use to tell.